Bloomfield is building its award-winning lineup of homes in one of the most sought-after areas in the Metroplex. Introducing Willow Wood in the thriving city of McKinney, consistently ranked as one of the best places to live in America. This is a master-planned community with so many built-in amenities, and the location is great. This 306-acre community is located just off Highway 75 and 121 off McDonald Street with easy access to the entire Metroplex. Bloomfield is offering its Classic Series floor plans and features the Violet 4 model home. The Violet is a versatile two-story design with 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2,400 to over 2,800 square feet. The combination of stone and brick, along with the architectural features, give this home great curb appeal. And there are 5 different elevations to choose from. Inside, take advantage of all the included upgrades like granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, extra windows and stainless steel appliances. No other builder in the Metroplex includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. There's a refreshing swimming pool with splash pad and plenty of hangout space on the deck as well as covered areas. There's also a community pavilion, sports court and playground, or take advantage of the nature trails, green belts, and open spaces. In addition, you're just minutes from McKinney's quaint and historic downtown district with shopping and dining. Students in the neighborhood attend schools in the Melissa ISD, ranked as one of the top school districts in the Metroplex for its top-tier academics and athletics. Amenities, lifestyle, and location, it's all right here in this community. Come out to our model home and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.